What we do here is go back.
Hey kids, my name is Sam and welcome to Sam Cooks It. Today we're going to be making some delicious cinnamon rolls. First we'll start with the ingredients you need. You'll need active dry yeast, warm milk, granulated sugar, unsalted butter, salt, all-purpose flour, and eggs for the dough. For the filling, we'll need brown sugar, cinnamon, and unsalted butter. Finally, we have unsalted butter, powdered sugar, cream cheese, vanilla extract, and salt for the yummy cream cheese icing. Now it's time to dissolve the yeast. We'll take 1 pack of the yeast and put it in a cup of warm milk in a large bowl for 5 minutes. We need half a cup of granulated sugar, a third of a cup of unsalted butter, a tablespoon of salt, 2 eggs, and 4 cups of flour. Be sure to mix it well. Next, we will mix our sugar, eggs, butter, flour, and salt in a bowl. We'll mix the 2 bowls together. We will mix until it's thoroughly mixed and then put into a well-oiled bowl. We're going to let it rise to about double the size. See you in an hour. And we're back. We've got our flour-covered counter, and we're going to roll out the dough till it is 16 by 12 and about 1/4 of an inch thick. Time to preheat the oven to 350. Now we're making the cinnamon filling. We will combine 1 cup of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of cinnamon, and a 1/3 cup of unsalted butter. The filling will be spread evenly over the dough. Doesn't this smell amazing? Here comes the tricky part. Now we have to roll the dough from the long end. Looks great. We'll grease our 9 by 13 inch baking pan. Want to make sure to get on those edges. I'm going to cut the dough in 1.5 inch intervals. The rolls need to be placed in a greased pan. Now we're going to put a towel on it for 30 minutes. Now my favorite part, the icing. We'll carefully fold together 6 tablespoons of margarine, 1.5 cups of icing sugar, 1/4 cup of cream cheese, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Now we'll put the rolls in the oven for 20 minutes or until they're golden brown. Smells delicious. We'll put the icing on now so they melt into ooey gooey goodness. Thanks for watching Sam Cooks It. The recipe we followed will be on www.joecooks.com. See you next time. Today we're going to be making some delicious... You don't have to say it like that.
Sam ripped a hole in it. Okay.
Why? You're cutting out the volume anyway.
Because you're gonna say that looks great.
That looks great.
Your thumbs aren't in it.
That looks great. Even though it looks like. I think you should cut it now. Smells delicious. Dirt break. Gotta get my Crocs on. Dirt break. Gotta turn that light on. Oh, this works. It's cold.
What we do here is go back.